Let's turn it up all the way, everybody. And there's a cooling feature right there. I don't know how well you can see it in the camera, but now this pad right here has a little conductor on it. Check it out. So let's use check it out. Right in the center, we are at 66 degrees. Look at my hand. You see my hand right there, and then you look at this. See how it's like dark blue in the middle? 60 degrees. Now watch when I touch my hand with it. So let's just set it like that. Look at the palm of my hand. It's like 90 something. What's this? Look at that circle. I've got a circle right in the middle. Let's put it on the back. Y'all see that? See that circle on the back? That works extremely well. That little semiconductor actually gets cold right there. That's great for putting up against your face or something like that.
This is from the company, I think it's called Space Player. And just going over the box here, actually I already take it out and then charged it up. So I know that it's got a full charge. It's got a 100-speed personal fan, smart LED display, extra long battery life, and comes with a retractable cable. So it does have a retractable USB-C on it. Hook design, ice compression for cooling. Interesting how they say ice compression. Instant transforms into a power bank. And you know what? Enough of that. Let's just open this thing up completely and see what all we get with it here. You get a little set of instructions down at the bottom. And just going over the instructions, it kind of goes over with how to operate the fan, but you know what? If you know how to mash a button, you know how to operate this fan. Oh, you might have to turn a dial, so how about that? And inside of here, I think you get your little kind of lanyard that you'll run the lanyard around like your neck. So this lanyard can kind of go, where's the lanyard spot at? I don't really see where the lanyard go. I guess it just goes around this. Now this right here is like a little D-clip. You guys see this? This is my guess on how they want us to run this lanyard. We just run it down like that. Now see, now we got a lanyard right here that can go around us and we can pull up around our neck. Now this is a neck mounted fan too. A little set of instructions there. Let me show you everything on this. So it has a articulating head that can go that much angle right there like that. Now this is cool. It actually has a built-in retractable USB-C cable. How neat is that? Look at that. So you just pull it out, and if you want to charge like batteries or something, or I guess that would charge basic iPhones, or like the new iPhone has a USB-C on it, and any of the Androids, you've got a USB-C coming out and that's going in, so you can charge it right there. Now, I didn't see a USB-C cable with mine, but maybe they think that you could just have your own cable and you could just charge it on your own, because I didn't get one, but I'm okay. I've got enough of those things anyway. Let me just show you how this thing works. Hold this button down for a few seconds. There it is. It just came on. Now there is a display right here, but you can't really see the display that good, but it is there, everybody. It's kind of a mirrored finish on it. So there it is. It's on 1. Let's go up to 5, 6, 7. Now I slowly can go up with this. Let's just go ahead and go all the way up. That's got a lot of power. There it is. That's at 100. So there it is. That's at 100. That's a lot of power. Look at that. Look at how it can blow. So this right here, watch that. It's got a lot of power. This is like one of those little personal fans you'll sit there and just blow on yourself like that. I like the fine-tune adjustment that it has. So if I just want to kind of like run my hand down it like that, you can use it as a little desktop fan like this. So if I'm sitting here working on my computer, and then what I like is you can hang this thing up. So we can hang it up and then point it right at the top of your head. So that way it's blowing on you the whole time. So yeah, this is something I'm going to be using on my travels, everybody. And this is something I'd recommend for anyone that just wants to have a little small personal fan that can kind of, you know, blow you all the time. So there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Space Player personal fan. See y'all in the next video.